Alright. 21 down. Deprecates or disapproves. Deprecates or disapproves. To disapprove. This could be ES because CES is a very common ending, and especially when it's given in the plural, right? ES, deprecates, disapproves, ES. So you can be pretty sure this is ES, but I won't rush here. Let's go back to 26 across. RK's Kull dash or Kull. So this is Bollywood. RK's refers to Raj Kapoor, the grandfather, I think, of Ranbir Kapoor. Yes. So Raj Kapoor's, this was one of the earliest hits that came out from his production house. It was Kal, Aaj or Kal, to show or to signify yesterday, today and tomorrow. So Kal, Aaj or Kal. So this is Kal, Aaj or Kal. Deprecates or disapproves. So this is objects, because now you can see this is rare. Second letter B, third letter J. This is pretty rare in the English language. Only a handful of words, the most common word being object. So when someone objects against something, they disapprove it, or they raise their voice against it. 33 across. Ballerina's skirt. So ballerina is one who dances in a ballet, and they wear a typical skirt, a raised skirt, which is, it's pretty stiff, but I don't know the word for that piece of clothing. Let's see 26 down. Mountain ridge. Mountain ridge. The most common word that comes to my mind and that is associated with a mountain is alpine, but it's 6 letters and I have 5 letters here. Let me see 28 across. Interprets. Again, because it's interprets, right? So you can pretty sure this is S here. Interprets. He interpreted the news to mean this. He understood. He comprehended. No. Let's see 29 down. Sensible. Nope. 33 across. Ballerina skirt. No. 34 across. Dutch commune. No. I don't know what that is. Let's see what we have. What's 30 down? Swing around. So there can again be only a handful of letters that can fit in here. So let me just cycle through the alphabet, okay, very quickly. I'm going to go quiet for a second here. The only letter that I think could fit in here given this arrangement, if I've not got this wrong, is the letter Y. That's the only one that I think fits in here, but I've never heard of a word called slye. S-L-Y-E, which means that this also might be wrong. this might be wrong, right? But very rare that when you have the clue for 28 across as interprets, that this, very rare that this will not end in the same letter. But I don't know. Okay, let me take a break from this section here and move on to this section here. 11 across, distinguished politicians. Oh, see, once you have this, you get this is called, the answer is statesman. Distinguished politicians are called statesmen. And you have to use the plural form here, statesmen, because it says politicians in the plural. 5 down, metric prefix, right. So now this becomes easy, metric prefix. So the mistake I was making is I was thinking of kilometers and above, so kilos and above, kilograms and above, but I should have gone in the other direction. So this is centimeters, right? So centi is a prefix in the metric system. 5 across, large sea fish is a cod. Ever heard of something called cod liver oil? Right, so that's a product that you get in the market. So this is a cod. 6 down, layers. Okay, it's not liars, it's layers. Okay, just pay attention to such kind of spellings. So we had done this, a similar clue in my previous video. This is dens, animal dens. 9 across, discharge is to emit. Very few words that, 4-letter words that begin with E, emit. 7 down. So this was mentally confused. So it says confused, past tense. So something up. Mentally confused. Riled up. No, but riled up is angry. To rile up someone is to make someone angry or annoyed. This is mentally confused, so it can't be riled up. And I have nothing else to work on because these are standalone letters here. So it could be riled up, it could be something else. Right, what am I going to do here? Do I go with in situ? I think I'm going to go in with in situ because I feel I can take a chance on this. My probability of getting this first word right is pretty high. If you remember, this was the Latin part which explains where it naturally lies, so I think that's why it's in situ. Sharp tongued. No. 13 across, high headdress. No. This is the poetic feat. I don't know this. Interprets. (26) down. Mountain ridge. 33 across is ballerina's skirt. 34 across is Dutch commune. 29 down is sensible. Smart, no, 4 letters. 32 across, Jack Sprat ate this. So I don't know what this is here. Is that it? Looks like it, doesn't it? Yes, I feel like I'm missing out on a very easy clue over here, but I just can't think of the answer to interprets. Hopefully y'all will let me know in the comments. Hope you all had fun. Bye guys.